Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make chicken curry in my own style. So first of all, I will put some chili powder in the chicken. Put some turmeric powder. And some coriander powder. And mustard oil. I will mix this well and let it soak for half an hour. Friends, after this I will show you the next step. By the time this marinating and keeping it at the side. I hope you will like this recipe. This is in my own style which I am going to make. Friends, to make the chicken curry I will use mustard oil. This is the mustard oil. Friends, first the oil is turned hot. First I'll put in the jeera. You can see the jeera. This I will put in. Put the dry chilies. Put the bay leaves. And this is the khara garam masala. This also I will put in. Friends, now this is the onion which I have cut. This is only 1.5 onion. This I will put in. Friends, today I am making in my own style. I hope you all will like it. I will let the onions turn brown. Friends, for this chicken curry, the masalas which I am going to use, this is the onion paste. You can see. This is the jeera, ginger, garlic and black pepper paste. I have chopped up 3 tomatoes here into small pieces. This also I will use. Friends, you can see the onions are turned brown, dark brown. Now I will put in the salt. Friends, now I will put in the marinated chicken. I will let the chicken fry along with the onions. Friends, the chicken I fried in the onions, you can see. Now I will put in the masalas. This is the onion paste. This is the ginger, garlic, jeera, black pepper paste. Friends, I have already put in the saffron, the turmeric powder, the chili powder, so I will not use them. Friends, now I will let this masala turn brown in the chicken over here. This is the tomato which I have chopped up. This also I will put in. Now I will let this fry. The masalas also will fry up nicely. Friends, you can see the masalas all turn brown with the chicken. How nice and yummy is looking. Delicious. Now I will put in the chicken masala. Put the garam masala. Mix it well. Friends, this is mixed up well. Now I will add some water. I've added the water. Friends, now last of all, I will put the dhania patti. Friends, I will cover this up and let it cook. Nice, yummy, ravishing fried rice I made today. Along with the fried rice, I will eat the chicken curry. This is the fried rice which I made, you can see. Friends, my own style chicken curry is ready. You can see how delicious it's looking. Yummy. Thanks for watching my video.